What's up everybody? Chris Helms here, Helms Landscape Design, Cascade Pools, and Athletic Design Group. So we are out here this morning meeting our steel crew, and basically they're starting to hang stirrups right now. Get everything set up to get all the rebar put in. We have an inspection at 1 o'clock today. I'll get to the steel guys in a minute. All these pipes that you see sticking up inside the footprint of the pool here, these are what's called an in-floor system. So basically in an in-floor system, you don't have a little pool cleaner that runs around the bottom of your pool. Basically you have these little pop-up spray heads. Just think of it kind of like a sprinkler head. And basically what that does is it comes on here, washes everything off the sun shelf, comes on there, washes everything off the steps, comes on here, washes everything off of the benches, comes on here, and then washes everything down till you get to the bottom where the drain's at. And then it just kind of washes it into the drain and then gets sucked into this leaf vac, and then you can basically use it just like a skimmer. You just kind of pull all the garbage out of it, and that's what's called an in-floor system. So basically when we run through and we're going to do an in-floor system, we have a layout to follow, so we know exactly where each spray head's supposed to be, all the specifications for all that, and that's all on site, so we can make sure the plumber knows where all of his pipes need to stub up. So they come and do what's called a pre-plumb. So a pre-plumb, basically after we get the hole dug and we get the outer form up, the plumber comes in and puts all of his piping in that he needs to put, everything that he needs to put in before the rebar goes in. And then after the rebar goes in, he'll be able to come and hang his skimmers from actual steel rebar that's on the side. And then we're able to shoot gunite after that. So he'll have to plumb the spa and all that. Then we can shoot gunite. So we've got an inspection scheduled for 1, and then our plumber will be back out to finish up everything he needs to do. And then we have gunite scheduled for tomorrow. So when you're doing rebar on the pool, so basically you'll have, this is our pier layout. So this just goes over everything to do with the piers, specifications for the piers, and then you have your everything just detailed on what we're going to do here. This is a double spillover spa, so we need to have a double curtain wall. So in an L shape right here on the spa, it'll be a double curtain wall there because you have to shoot gunite on both sides. So we got a lot going on. I'll drop down and kind of show you what the piers look like. So this is piers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 piers. And basically when they start hanging the steel on the floor, 2 of these pieces of steel get strapped into the sidewall, and then 2 go into the floor, and then those 4 all go into the floor. And then we have an extra beam going down the center here for this particular pool, and then all those piers will get tied in. Those piers are on bell bottoms, so basically it's they dig the hole, and then they have a special piece of equipment that will flare out on the bottom, and then we make special rebar cages for those piers, and then we drop the rebar into the hole, and then we pour concrete into that hole, and then it cures, and then the little bit of rebar is left sticking up out of the ground, just like you see over there in that corner. So long video, sorry about the long video, but just want to give you guys a glimpse into a pool build late.